sorry that I've put you on the back burner. Other matters have occupied my brain. I know that's not an excuse to forget about you, but I guess that's just life some days. Now that I'm out of the metaphorical woods, I'd like to take you on a date. I'll put on a new shirt, shave my face so it's more kissable, 'cause that's the spark that we need some days. When you're gone, I'll speak your love language. Acts of service and whatever the other four are. When you get home, you know I love the love we make. But if you need to just kiss, that's okay. I'm good with that. I'm not really into compromising much, but it doesn't really feel that way when it's at the hands of true love.
Who could find on through all these doors? Touring basement couches and living room floors. On to the next town, to the next show. 'Cause I went and caught a dream and I can't let go. Been trying to break into some boys club. They got cigars in that dry rub. I'd love to sing them on my songs, to see what I got. I wanted to get older, where the flowers hit the trees, where the lakes go to the rivers and the rivers throw a breeze. Raise a couple kids, becoming honest man. I put 100,000 miles on this man, 'cause I'm a running man. Sometimes I feel like I'm insane, expecting different fruit from the same damn thing. But the sound of this band hitting that note takes this drowning man and it makes him float. I wanted to get older, where the flowers hit the trees, where the lakes go to the rivers and the rivers throw a breeze. Raise a couple kids, becoming honest man. I put 100,000 miles on this man, 'cause I'm a running man. I'll keep on running, man. Oh. sing along. It brings on something that I thought was gone. It turns the switch back on. I wanted to get older where the flowers hit the trees, where the lakes flow to the rivers and the rivers throw a breeze. Raise a couple kids, becoming honest man. I put 100,000 miles on this man, 'cause I'm a running man. I'm a running man. I'm a running man. I'm a running man.
It's in the air, you feel that. It's bringing back images. We're making our way at long last, feeling like a new day. If you can find it now, you're gonna see. Ooh, and if you send it back, we're gonna get it. Alright. Oh, merciful radio energy. When I call, will you call back to me? Oh, merciful radio energy. Won't you hear my call? See me in the colorful light. Even when it comes, I'll be fading in time. Ooh, oh, weeds in one frame at a time. Gotta hold the